Hi everyone, I'm Joris, founder of goodvibeslab.cloud, and today I'm going to show you how to add user comments to any Flutter app in less than 5 minutes. No backend to maintain, no Firebase or Supabase setup. We'll just code, run the app, and see the comments working on screen. I already have a basic Flutter project open. This is just the default counter app, nothing special. The idea is to start from something simple, so you can see how easy it is to add comments. The first thing we need to do is install the comments library. So let's get into the terminal and add the dependency. As you can see, the dependency is now listed in the pubspec file. Let's get back to our main class. Now that the dependency is installed, we need to initialize the SDK. This is done once when the app starts. GoodVibesLab Comments uses an install key to authenticate the application. So here, I'm calling comments_kit.initialize and passing an installed key. For now, I'm leaving the key empty. In a real app, this is where your installed key goes. We'll generate one in a moment from the dashboard. The installed key is what connects your Flutter app to the managed comments backend. So let's switch to the dashboard and create a project. I'm now on the dashboard. I'll start by creating a new project and giving it a name. The dashboard also asks for the Android package name. If you're not sure where to find it, no worries. We'll see this right away. Let's go back to the Flutter project for a second. In a Flutter Android project, you'll find it here. In the Android app configuration, this is the namespace value. That's the package name we need for the dashboard. So I'll just copy it and go back. Alright, the project is now created and we're almost done. Each project has its own keys and you can revoke them at any time if needed. For this demo, I'll just create one. Once the key is generated, we can copy it and go back to the Flutter app. Back in the Flutter app, I can now paste the install key into the initialization code. That's all that's needed to connect the app to the comments backend. Now I'll remove the default counter example. We don't need any of this. I'll replace it with a simple scaffold. Inside the scaffold, I'm adding the comments widget. This is the only widget you need to display a full comments thread. Each comment section is identified by a thread key. This can be any stable string from your app. We also pass a user profile. At minimum, it needs a stable user ID. Here I'm also providing a name and an avatar URL. Let's restart the app. And that's it. The comments are now live, fully functional and ready to use. As you can see, we can also set reactions to users' comments. Now let's restart the app with another user by changing his ID. And that's really all there is to it. We started from a basic Flutter app, added a single dependency, and wrote just a few lines of code. There's no backend to build, no database to manage, and no infrastructure to maintain. Everything related to authentication, storage, moderation, and delivery is handled for you. If you need user comments in a Flutter app, this is probably the simplest way to get there. Thanks for watching.